Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to my food cart. Today we are making Chana Daal pulao and Tandoori chicken roast. First we will make chicken roast, and to make it, here I have chicken 1 pound, Shan Tandoori masala 2 teaspoon, black pepper powder half teaspoon, oil 3 tablespoon, water 2 cups, and salt half teaspoon. It is very yummy roast and easy to make. So let's start making with Bismillah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. To make the roast, add water in cooking pot. Turn on the flame. Now add chicken in it. Then add Shan Tandoori masala. Black pepper powder. And oil. Let it boil first, then keep the flame medium for 35 minutes. And after 35 minutes, keep the flame high for 8 to 9 minutes and complete the roast. I will make a salad with it to complete the platter, inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. To make the rice, I soaked 3 cups of Basmati rice for 1 hour and 1 cup of dal chana soaked for 30 minutes. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. To make rice, we need some whole spices, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom, 5 cloves and 5 black peppers, Garam masala powder 1 teaspoon, coriander powder 1 teaspoon, cumin whole 1 teaspoon, coriander whole 1 teaspoon, salt 1.5 teaspoon, ginger 1 tablespoon, grated, red chili powder half teaspoon, garlic 1 bulb grated, 1 onion medium size, oil half cup and water 5 cups. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's make yummy rice. Cooking pot should be dried. Add onion in it. Then add oil. Fry them on high flame until they become dark brown. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Onions turn dark brown. Now keep the flame low and add 2 cups of water. Let it boil at high flame. Now add Chana Daal along with water. Add 3 cups of more water. All spices, garam masala, coriander, red chili powder, whole cumin, coriander whole, ginger, garlic, and salt in it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dal is cooking for 30 minutes. It is whole in shape and not so soft. Now add rice in it. Let it cook at high flame with open lid. When you see there is less water and rice absorb the liquid, then spread whole cumin on top of rice. Stir it. And cover it with kitchen towel and lid. Steam them for 15 minutes at very low flame. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. After 15 minutes, rice are ready. Alhamdulillah. They look so yummy. Alhamdulillah. I'm also making a salad with it. Inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. It is time to make salad now. I have 2 bunches of romaine lettuce. Wash and cut thinly. 1 avocado cut in small pieces. Coriander powder, half teaspoon. Salt, 1/4 teaspoon. Olive oil, 1 teaspoon. Lime juice, 1 tablespoon. And cayenne pepper, 1/4 teaspoon. Mix all things together and make a yummy salad. Inshallah. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The platter is ready now. Alhamdulillah. Rice, chicken roast and yummy salad. If you like them, please give me thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel, my food cart, and follow me on Instagram. Allah Hafiz.